So Dylan, I know you got a big bear hunt coming up in September, man. How'd that come about? And what are you looking forward to doing?
Yeah, so like I said in the past, I was out there and got skunked. So I'm pretty determined right now. We're going full board uh crossbow bear hunt in Michigan come September. So I've been really lucky. The guys, Mark Evans out there with Hunters for Life, is the one that helped get me hooked up with all this. Just a really great guy. But we're pretty determined to get out there and get our redemption. So we've been getting lots of videos, and they are eating healthy this year. I will say that. So we're
Yeah.
pretty pumped.
Make sure you get max speed on your chair, dude, and,
Yeah,
and take
right.
somebody as an aide that's a little slower.
Yeah, you're either going to see a video of me killing one, or you're going to see us running away from one. One of the
Hey,
two.
Well, Dylan,
good luck.
good luck on your hunt, brother. And we'll have you back on at the end of September, and you can fill us in on this bear hunt.
Yeah, man, I love it. I love it.